Hello, thanks for dropping in. David Bradley from the pet room here, but today I'm looking at other things that I got to assist sometimes in filming. Here we have a utility light. This was got from Dollarama, and the idea behind it after, and I've got to have scissors to get this open. The idea behind this, excuse me, let's pop this, and I don't want to aim this over there, it's very bright, very bright. The idea is, wow, that is bright. Let me, and there it has 3 modes, where it'll be really bright, somewhat bright, and then it shoots out the end. And I think that will be handy. It has a little hook, I think. Oh, it has a little stand. Don't know if you can see that. That's the stand. But you can stand it up. That might be handy. It also has a little hook that supposedly is supposed to come out. Oh, look at that. You can hang it, maybe in a tent. And it does seem to maybe even have a magnet on the back. Maybe. Anyway, it takes screws to get into it. It says, I think it takes 3 AAA batteries. And I'm just going to put that over there. That's a more gentle setting. Oh, wait a second. I can make use of this. Let's see here. I push it once more, it goes to the other side. This is too bright. That is too bright from this. But that's not bad. Anyway, another thing I got, which I should open because I'm here and I'm down, is this mop thing. That is a cool thing. Cost $2. Yacht mop, durable and absorbent. And I have plans that I'm working out in the back and here and there. This will last a while, and then chances are it'll get gross, disgusting, terrible, and it will go. But for $2, it's okay, and it screws onto a standard thing. Funny thing is, as I've been doing stuff out there, I broke 2 things. Well, I wasn't doing anything dramatic, it was just sweeping, but I broke a pole, and then I said, oh well, I'll put the head of that broom on another thing. And then it went to heck. Anyway, this is another thing. And this has light. If I push on it, it will get bright, it will get medium, and it will flash. Ooh. And I believe there's 2 of them, and then there's also a thing that you can, I think, strap it to your head. So, back to the scissors. This packaging, it's all good, but I really could, and have in the past, done damage to myself with it, because it gets sharp. So, scissors are done. Okay, let's see here. So there's 1. There's 2. Just a moment. There's a box. Let's see here. In the box is indeed 2 things. 2 little head things. And I guess the idea is, here's the light, here's what it looks like. Hang on, I'll turn it on. It will be bright. It will be not so bright. it will strobe. Ah. Anyway, this could be handy for looking inside of old Commodore pets and other things, I believe. So I'm just trying to get this thing tucked, the strap thing tucked in here. And it doesn't look too terrible, it just sort of slides in. If I could just get it to slide in and then slide in, that would be dandy. And it seems adjustable. It does. Now, do I need to adjust it? That's the question. I don't think so. So yeah, I think that if I'm looking inside an old computer, it'd be quite handy. Now, I don't need it that bright. That's less bright. And, wait for it, strobing! And that's off. And there are two of them. So I think I will, because I'm here and I can, I think I will get the other one tucked in. And it does, like, basically there's two little fingers here, one is bigger than the other. You tuck the one side in, then there's less space. And you tuck the other side in, and you do the other thing again. This would also not be bad